Welcome to our instructional guide on achieving optimal functionality with your Gates crimper. Adhering to European machine manufacturing standards, this tutorial will navigate through the necessary steps to ensure your crimper operates flawlessly. From regular maintenance checks to specific operational tips, viewers will learn how to keep their machine running smoothly. Let's acknowledge the European machine manufacturing standards that our Gates crimper adheres to. These standards guarantee precision, durability and reliability. Safety is paramount. It's essential for operators to thoroughly familiarise themselves with the safety measures and operating instructions. Signing off the manual signifies acceptance and understanding. The machine is delivered without a plug, as this is country specific. Install the correct plug for your country location and wire up your machine, ensuring all electrical connections are secure and according to the guidelines provided in the manual. Next, my colleague Daniel will show you how to fill your crimping machine with oil to ensure a smooth operation. Hi Daniel. Follow the venting process to remove any trapped air, as this is critical for maintaining hydraulic efficiency. Calibration is key. Using a Mega Crimp -8, calibrate your machine to ensure it meets the precise specifications required for optimal crimping. Finally, perform a measurement verification. Use calipers to check against the specified dimensions to ensure the accuracy of the crimping machine. As stated in the manual, if the required crimp diameter is not achieved, repeat the calibration process. You've now taken the essential steps to ensure your Gates crimper is functioning perfectly, adhering to the highest standards of safety and precision. With proper setup, calibration and care, your crimper is ready to support your projects efficiently and reliably. Thank you for following this guide and happy crimping. Always remember to follow safety guidelines and check the machine's manual for specific details. So thank you, Daniel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and Daniel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.